Number 1. In 1974, a Hungarian design teacher and serious puzzler, Endo Rubik, assembled his first Rubik's Cube puzzle, which was made out of wood and elastic bands and paper clips. Back when the Rubik's Cube was first introduced in the market in 1974, it was termed as the Magic Cube or Biviskochka in Hungarian. In 1980, Rubik partnered with the Ideal Toy Corporation, which had bought the rights to this puzzle and changed its name to Rubik's Cube. Number 2. First ever World Championship was hosted in Budapest, and the winner was Min Thai from the United States at a speed of 22.95 seconds in a regular 3x3. The single most expensive cube, the Masterpiece Cube, was created in 1995 for the 15th anniversary of the cube, attaining international popularity by Diamond Cutter International. It is estimated to be worth $2.5 million. It is part of the Beyond Rubik's Cube exhibition. In the initial days of Rubik's Cube release, a 13-year-old boy, Patrick Bozert, had published a book called You Can Do the Cube in 1981. This guide sold over 1.5 million copies. In fact, it had become a universal seller and it is still available for purchase. The largest Rubik's Cube in the world is 2.022 meters. It was achieved by Tony Fisher on 18th November 2019. All the layers of the cube move exactly like a Rubik's Cube. However, you might have to lift the whole cube to solve it. More than 350 million Rubik's Cube have been sold. This is just counting the official Rubik's Cube created by Ideal. Cubes not to mention made by the dollar store and the Chinese speed cubes like Moyu and etc. The original Rubik's Cube 3x3 has 43 quintillion, 252 quadrillion, 3 trillion, 274 billion, 489 million, 856,000. And yes, people can solve this in a matter of seconds. The current world record of the 3x3 is 3.47 seconds. If astronomically represented, the age of the universe is 13.6 billion years. And if you turn the Rubik's Cube once every second into a new combination, since the start of the Big Bang, you can have gone only through 1% of all Scrabble notation.